All right, moving on to our next presenter, who is Kelly Nevins from the Kirkwood School District. She is the coordinator of alternative education, and her topic is using launch to serve the gifted population.
Thank you for having us today. I'm actually filling in for our gifted coordinator here at the high school. She was not able to be here today as she had a death in her family. So I'm sorry that she can't be here, but I will try to share her information as well as I can. Cindy Coronado, who is going to present today, is our gifted coordinator here at Kirkwood High School, and she probably has about 60, probably even more than that, students on her caseload. And I would say approximately half those students are taking classes virtually with Launch. At Kirkwood, we use Launch to serve that gifted population because it is that tiny percent of the population. Those students have kind of unique needs as much as our students with special needs do as well. So we're looking at probably, like you said, about half of our kids are on Launch, half of our gifted kids are on Launch. Some of them also have IEPs, 504s, and assist plans. So we're really working to meet their individual needs. And Launch really provides a great opportunity for us to be able to do that. They're currently working right now in Kirkwood on writing new curriculum for our gifted programming. And one of the big things with that is to provide a challenging curriculum, provide enrichment, and acceleration. And so what our gifted students need are opportunities that sometimes we cannot provide, even in a large school district like Kirkwood. For example, we have students all the time who have, they come in as freshmen at the high school and they want to take 4 years of engineering, they want to take 4 years of orchestra, they want to take 4 years of a world language. And then when you add their core classes in there, their schedule is full. And it doesn't leave them a lot of opportunity to get those required classes in or to experience some other unique opportunities. So Launch has really allowed us, I would say, two of the biggest classes that our gifted students take are going to be health and personal finance, because they can fit those in and still get a lot of those challenging classes that they feel like they need to take in person here at Kirkwood High School. Also, with that being said, the world language piece is huge for our gifted students, in that our students like to come in and they want to get those 4 years of a world language, and they can take a Launch class in the summer, or they can take French, or they can take Japanese, and they can get those world language credits taken care of in a virtual setting, and they excel at those and they're super successful. There are also courses out there that they like to take that maybe we don't offer here at Kirkwood High School. So it allows them some enrichment in that regard. Also, the acceleration with math has been huge at Kirkwood. I know a lot of our students have started taking accelerated math courses as low as 4th and 5th grade. And that allows those students to come into the high school at an advanced level, and they can get in, by the time they're juniors and seniors, they can do AP calculus, they can do AP statistics, and get all that math in that they want to get. It provides them, so not only do the students, are they able to take it during the school year, but a lot of those students love to take those classes during the summer. We've had students who are able to get through a whole year of math in the summer because they are just so passionate about it and so driven to do that. Another thing is that Cindy does is she serves as our executive functioning coach here at Kirkwood High School, and she finds that a big part of her job is just helping these kids get organized, prepare for college, prepare for careers. And so she works with her caseload in helping those kids stay organized, stay on task, set deadlines, because even though they look at their calendar and they see, okay, I have these assignments that are due, in 3 weeks, she helps them put a plan in place so that they're ready to get those things turned in 2 or 3 or 4 weeks. And I think with providing these opportunities so that the students can do, in addition to their classes here, they can do the dual enrollment. We've seen that as being a huge opportunity for our students, getting that dual credit with the increasing cost of higher education, to get some of those things out of the way and to allow our students to excel in that kind of accelerated environment has been wonderful. One of the big things I think with many of our kids is just providing that support for students, meeting them where they are. They all have individual needs, and it takes a village. So, here we have, grade level counselors, we have, our different support staff that helps the students, but then our gifted specialists as well, providing that structure, providing emotional support, frequent check-ins, just to meet those kids and help provide them with the support that they need.